Tired of communication chaos and ready to supercharge your Gohighlevel account? Let's cut through the complexity and connect your Telnyx API to Gohighlevel in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Telnyx portal and navigate to the API Keys section. You'll find this under the Developer tab, usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Generate a new API key, making sure to grant it the necessary permissions for sending and receiving SMS messages, as well as accessing other Telnyx features you plan to use within Gohighlevel. Store this API key securely. You'll need it soon. Now, jump over to your Gohighlevel account and go to the Settings tab, then find the Integrations section. Look for the Telnyx option. It might be under a list of available integrations or within a custom integration area. Click on the Telnyx integration and you'll be prompted to enter your Telnyx API key and any other required credentials, such as your Telnyx account ID. Paste the API key you saved earlier into the designated field. Once you've entered the required information, save your settings. Gohighlevel will usually run a quick test to verify the connection with your Telnyx account. That's it. Your Telnyx API is now connected to Gohighlevel, ready to automate your communication workflows and boost your marketing efforts. Start exploring the possibilities, from triggering SMS campaigns to automating follow-up sequences.